Guys, I just got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. I got the creator combo. Actually, this is the combo made for content creators. So if you watch my last video, I talked about I need a camera. This is the camera I'm talking about, this camera right here. So we're going to unbox it. I want you guys to join me and let's unbox it together and let's see everything that is in it. Okay, so if you're ordering from Amazon, you're gonna get this for like $700. Okay, it depends kind of where you are, because in Cyprus, even though in Northern Cyprus Amazon doesn't work here, DJI stores are not available here, but in Cyprus, the Republic of Cyprus, we have the stores there. You can get them for 700 something plus. So but if you want to get this camera at the end of this video, if you want to get this camera, links will be in the description. Click on it and you can order your own. But this is like the biggest or the best thing out there for content creators right now. It's sold out. It took me a long while to get it. It's currently shortage of this product right here. So let's unbox it together. I'm not going to be showing my face in the unboxing, so I'm just going to put it in the bed and we're going to unbox it right here and see what's in it. Let's go. Alright guys, here we go. So let's try to open it up. So you can see it's still sealed. I haven't even, there's a nylon here to keep this case, you know, clean. I don't know what I tried to use this. So I'm going to bite part of this nylon. I'm sorry. There we go. So right here, I'm going to peel off the nylon. There's a nylon here that you got to take off. Okay, so where do we go from here? To open the package, you have this spot here. You got to peel this off. Okay, finally. Oh, we got that off. Okay, so now let's go to, oh my goodness. So first we start by having this silica gel. Do not eat, throw away, okay, so we're gonna keep the silica gel. Do not eat. Now this is the package. This is the amazing bag with the DJI accessories in it. Okay, so right now these are the things that are supposed to be in the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo package. Okay, these are the things in front of your screen right now, so let's make sure we see all of them. So we go to the box. Like I said, this was the creator combo. So we'll go to the box. What do we see? Oh, we have manuals. We got manuals in here. Wow, we have manuals. These are manuals for the camera. So this is how the camera looks like. The quick start guide. We have the DJI forum, communicate with DJI users around the world. Wow, we just have manuals, you know, the creator combo manual. This is it right here. So you can keep this and read it. You know, I'm sure it got different languages in it, or you can just go to the DJI website and get all the information you need from there. So we have this, and we have, what is this? Oh, it looks like a DJI badge or something. All right, so we have this as well. DJI. I keep saying DJI. It makes me look dumb. Next, we have, what do we have in here? I think the box is empty now. It's empty now. So we have this other box. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Oh, okay. Oh, this is the DJI case. This is the case to protect the gimbal and the lens of your DJI camera. Oh god, this is so good. So this is the case to protect the gimbal. This is it right here. Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover. You see that? Yeah, we're covered, dude. We are protected. So black case. Now let's go to the back. This is the back. How do they open it from here? Okay. Oh shit, be careful, boy. This is just expensive. Even the fact that I didn't even buy it, the price I bought it way more expensive. So this is the back, and we have the little tag over here. This is a DJI bag. So let's open it up. Oh, this bag looks cool, man. Holy moly. Bro, look at that. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. All right, so let's start with, what are we going to start with? This is the DJI microphone, the wireless microphone right here. Okay, it's pretty cool. It has a transparent case, you can see through. It's pretty cool. So start by removing the microphone out. Oh, this is the extra battery, I think. Yeah, we could take this, open this. I'm sure I'm gonna have issues fitting them back in there. I'm pretty sure. So this is it. Amazing. All right, so let me put this back in here. Let's get straight to the camera, and then I'll open the other accessories pretty soon. So we have the microphone on standby. The cartoons can move a little bit, but this is the main guy. Okay, this is the bad boy. It's a small pocket-sized camera with the gimbal. This is the gimbal right here. You see that? So we're gonna get to it. Pocket 3, we're gonna get to it really quick. So this is where you put your SD card. Now the memory card does not come with the package. Okay, you have to buy a memory card by yourself, by your SD card. So let's just keep the camera down here and look at things. We have the microphone, and what is this? This is the base. Yeah, come on. Yeah, this is the base where you get to connect this to the camera. Yeah, you get to put this to the camera like so. Oh, good. And then you can now use this spot to tie it on a tripod. Okay, wow, this is so cool. And then you press here to release it like that. See that? Amazing. So we have the base. I'm just going to put it, let me just leave it there, put it on its own. And then this is the extra battery. Okay, you can actually connect this one to here. So when the battery of your camera is dead, you can charge this and you use this as well. Okay, so you can fit this right here, and it's just gonna fit to your camera. And then you can also attach this to the tripod, screw it here. So we have that. That's cool, really cool. So to take it off, you press here, just press in the middle here, and you can take it off. All right, so we have that. You see, this is the green foot, but oh, the green light is gone. Yeah, see right there for the battery. Okay, next, what do we have? We have a lot of accessories. Right? That's why I said this is not just the camera. I didn't just buy the camera, I bought the creator combo. So the next thing we have here is, oh, the cute baby tripod. This is the cute baby tripod. So this is, you can attach this here. Okay, oh, not here, sorry. You're gonna add either the external battery or the base, and then you put it to it. So you can say put this guy here. Here we get that click sound, and then you screw it here and tie it up, and then you can use this on your table, maybe if you're taking a meal or something. See that? And it's just going to stand right there. Wow, this is good. This is great. If you want to buy this camera, if you have the money, I prefer you take the creator combo with all these accessories, because to buy all these other accessories is going to cost you money. So what's the next thing we have here? We have the USB, well, not USB, the type C to type C cable. This cable can be used for so many things. You can use this camera as a webcam on your computer. I'm going to do a tutorial for that as well. So we have that. Next, well, we have the little handle where you can attach to your camera. Well, before that, we have this is the windshield for your microphone. Okay, so when you are recording, to avoid the sound where you do like that sound, this is in public, it shifts other sounds and focus on yours. So you're going to take this and you put it here on your microphone like that. I haven't heard the click, but you're going to screw it here, something like that, and then you use it. Okay, now your microphone is going to be like this, and you're going to use it. Okay, wow, what else do we have in here? So now this is the little handle where you can attach to your bag and you hold it. So I'm just going to put this one back in here. I don't want to mess it up. So I'll just be there like that. So we have that. What's next? Oh, I think we have another gel as well, another stuff that you need to throw away. And then what is in here? Okay, this right here is the microphone magnet. Okay, yes, I'm pretty sure it's the microphone magnet. So when you take this out, where is the microphone? This is it. You see how it clicks? So you're going to, oh god, It's so hard. Wow. So you're going to clip this on your shirt. Like for example, let's say this is a shirt right here. It might be thick, but let's say this is a shirt. Yeah. You can put it like this, and then you clip it on your shirt like that, and then you walk around and you record your video and your vlogging and stuff like that. You won't have problems. So yeah, that is it. It's the Pocket. Please don't fall. And this is the wide angle lens that you need to attach to your microphone or to your camera. So this is it right here. So this needs to be attached to the gimbal. Where is it? Or to the camera lens. Oh, the other way around. Sorry, my bad. Is it like this? Yeah, this needs to be attached like this, so you can have another, wide angle view. So I'm just going to take that off. We have a lot. So those are the accessories that comes with the bag. I really like this bag. It looks good. Wow. So we see it's empty. So that's the bag. So these are the accessories that comes in the creator combo. We have every little thing. So we have the windshield is here, the microphone is here, and we have the external battery, we have the base, we have the tripod, we have the we have the wide angle lens, and we have the microphone magnet, the clip, remember that, and then we have the case to protect this guy. So let's open up the screen. Oh god, that sounds so good. Okay, sounds so good. So let's see if I can put it on right now. See that? English. This place. So if you read here, they'll say you need to scan the QR code or download the DJI Mimo app to activate your camera. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I don't want to skip this because I don't know what I'm gonna see later after. So I'm just gonna scan that, open the camera and see how it goes. What I need to do is to download the DJI Mimo app and update everything I need on this camera, and then we can start using it. I see how the gimbal is working. Oh, this is good. See that? So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to update it. Then I'm going to do a proper tutorial on how to use this camera. So I'm just going to screw it back up. So in a couple of seconds, it's going to go off, and the gimbal is going to reset. All right, that's cool. So that is all about this. And oh, I forgot. So this is where you place your camera. Okay, like this. Yeah. So this is where you put your camera in the case to avoid this gimbal from having any issue and your lens from getting scratched and all that. So you feel here, that's the importance of this case, and you can put that and attach all this other extension to it if you want to. Okay, so this cable is also for charging. Cable right here, also for charging. So yeah, guys, there we go. I finally have the camera that I want, and I'm really happy. We're going to learn how to use it. I already bought a SIM card. A memory card. This is a SanDisk 512 gigabyte. I just bought this, but this is not part of the creator combo. This is something you buy for yourself. Okay, I already have that. Now these are the accessories for the creator combo, and every single thing that I read online, I've seen them here. They are all here. All right, guys. So there we go. Thanks for watching my unboxing video, and we're going to learn how to use this very soon. So I'm just going to get the app and activate the camera, and we're going to learn a lot of tricks on how to use this camera, why this camera is the best right now for content creators. So if you want to get your own Osmo Pocket 3 or the creator combo, links are in the description. Click on it and order yours. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace. I love this, man. Pocket 3.